Hello and hi to everyone. Welcome to Modeling with Spreadsheets. Now in this tutorial I would be explaining you formatting with data points in charts. Now you may be wondering what is formatting with data points in charts. Formatting with data points is a very powerful tool for presentation and designing. Suppose you want to present your data to a faculty or to a manager. You want to highlight a specific data point. So here how it helps you while doing formatting with data points. Now let's take an example of ice cream parlor. Here is the sales units in each month. Like in January it's 145, in April it's 335, in December it's 25. Now first of all let's create a chart out of it. So I would be selecting the data, I would be going in insert, and a bar chart would be appropriate. Now this gives me the sales of ice cream parlor in each month. Now you can see in December the sales are only 25 units. The reason can be winter or any other parameters. Now you want to highlight it. So what I will do, I want to highlight only the month of December. So I'll go here. Now you can see all the data points are selected, but I want only this data point. So double click here. Now you can see format data points come here. Now there are various options available here. Series overlap, gap width increases the width between each month. Now there are options like shadow, glow, soft edges, 3D format. These all features give effect. These are the color options. Now suppose I want to change the color of the month of December. So what I will do, I will go in color. I will make it green. Now you can see here the color changes to green. Now suppose I want to make further changes. I will go in shadow. Now I will increase the transparency. I will increase the size. I will increase the blurriness, distance, glow. You can increase the glow to this. Now you can see there's a colored shadow here. I can modify the edges, increase the color. I can do that. All these various options are available to give an effect to a data point. Now let's take another example. These are the growth over years. These are the number of years 1, 2, 3, and here is the comparison between Coca-Cola and Pepsi. And these are the growth rate over years. Now let's create a chart out of it. First of all, I'll go in insert. Last time we tried with the bar chart. Now let's create a line chart out of it. Here is the line chart. Now I can see in the month, in the third year, the growth rate is very high. So I want to highlight that thing. So again, what I will do, I will go here. I will do a right click. Once I do a right click, I can see all the data points are selected. Now to select only this data point, I need to double click it, right click it, format data points. Now once you go in format data points, as I explained earlier, there are various options available. Now again I will go in color fill, change the color to let's say blue. Now you can see this line becomes blue. The reason is because the growth increased from year 2 to year 3. I want to change the color from blue to let's say yellow. Again the color light blue. Again the color changes. Now I want to increase the blurriness or transparency. I can do that also. Here is the transparency. You can see the line vanishes from here. Again I will do the transparency 0. Basically all these features are made or done to give an effect to a particular data point. You can give the effects, you can change the design, you can change the color as per the requirements of the user. Thank you and have a nice day.